Welcome to this new video series. We are going to talk about PostgreSQL. So, what is PostgreSQL? In this quick introduction, we are gonna look overview of an PostgreSQL database. So, our first question is, what is PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is an advanced enterprise class and open source relational database management system. It supports both SQL, that is relational, and JSON, that is non-relational querying. PostgreSQL is highly stable database backed by more than 20 years of development by the open source community, and it is used as a primary database for many web applications as well as mobile and analytics applications. PostgreSQL is a free and open source object relational database management system, that is ORDBMS. It runs all over all the major operating systems like including Linux, Unix and Windows. It supports text, images, sounds and video, and including programming interfaces for C or C++, Java, Perl, Python, Ruby, TCL and Open Database Connectivity, that is ODBC. In our upcoming videos, we'll be looking at from Python how we can connect to our PostgreSQL database and we can perform activities. So PostgreSQL features transactions with ACID property, which is atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. So PostgreSQL has their own naming conventions. That is, in the left hand side we have our common names like table, index, row, column, data block, page, and in the right hand side what we are going to call those entities in PostgreSQL. Like table or index will be represented by a relation, row will be called as tuple, column will be called as attribute, data block will be called as page, and page will be called as a buffer. So we'll be looking about this page in detail in our next video. So this was the quick introduction about PostgreSQL database series. So keep following the upcoming videos and next videos to learn about this PostgreSQL database, and don't forget to check my Oracle database administration videos. I'll be pinged on the description. So see you in the next video.